Hey everyone, welcome to my channel, and if you're new here then hello, I am Urmi. In today's video I will show you how you can do two different type of eyeshadow looks using same shade. So let's get started. For the eyeshadow palette I'll use this one from Natasha Denona and I'll be using these three shades. For the first look I'll use dark brown and I'll make C shape like this using small brush. Then I'll take medium brown on a small blending brush and I'll place it right after dark brown, and then slowly I'll start blending them into each other. And after that I'll blend upper edge with same brush. Now whatever is left on the brush, I'll use it inwards. This gives beautiful shape to my eye. Then I'll apply shimmer on rest of the eyelid. And I'll make sure that there is no harsh line between matte and shimmer. Moving on to lower lash line, first I'll use dark brown close to my lash line and then I'll use medium brown to blend it out. And lastly, I'll take compact powder on a fluffy brush and I'll clean the area around eye. Moving on to this eye, I'll do halo eyeshadow. So first I'll use dark brown in my inner corner and outer V. Then with the medium brown, I'll blend the edges. If you lose color intensity while blending, then you can always go back and apply some more. And now I'll apply shimmer in the center. I'll use same technique for my lower lash line as well. Dark brown in inner corner and outer corner. Then I'll blend it with medium brown and lastly shimmer in the center. And that's pretty much it. Here is the final look. Let me know which one you like the most. I hope you find this video helpful. I'll see you in the next one. Till then, bye.